Alright, so I don't even remember where I left off from this last video. When I was trying to record before, I was sick, so I just kind of stopped. And I had another camera, it just didn't work out, so we're back to using the old phone again. However, flip this around. Alright, so here's the deal, man. I have kind of went all out on this damn thing. I pulled the evap stuff off because I'm going to do something a little bit different with the bike. I noticed last year it really wasn't performing like it should. I had a coolant leak, so I ended up removing the radiator again. What I'm doing here is I'm taking these rails off. They're in so-so shape, not that great. And I'm finding whatever else I can locate on the bike that I'll show you now. I'll show you, everybody. Let me show you. So this is what I got going on right here. So this is the cover for the speedometer. It's pretty rough shape. This has got a lot of blemishes on it too. This is the brakes, drum brake cover. And I got, like here's the holder for the speedometer also. And there's a couple other small brackets. And I'm not really sure exactly what else. Let me get to the point because I can't shut up. I'm going to take some of this and get a quote for chroming. That's the plan. And something else is going to happen is paint. I'm going to paint the bike. That's why the fender's right there and the tank's outside. I just drained that and now I'm letting it air out. So let's get to work. Because we got so much to do. Now the goal is to find sockets that fit. Something about this bike, it's always a continuous thing, I know that's how it goes, but gee golly, it'd be nice if it just chill the hell out. This is kind of like a little sleeve, a little sleeve there. What? Come on, man. What the hell? So guess what? Yep, you guessed it. Exhaust pipe. I'll be honest with y'all, I don't even remember what size this is. I think that's a 10 millimeter. And I think those might be 12s. Oh my break. Might want to unbolt these before I take that bracket loose. Shit. Might be time to replace those. Damn. I think I just patched them up last time anyways. I will say it's a little irritating because I just did that exhaust the other year. And every time you take it off, you're supposed to put a new crush gasket on it. I guess I'll follow the rules. And there it goes. So, there's a couple other things here I'm going to take off too. This is a coolant line. Branches out and spider webs everywhere on this damn thing. And also I got the rebuild kit for the hydraulics. So I'm just trying to get this bike to be like the best it can possibly be. Just Needs to be spot on. Look at this crap. Look at all this shit on my motorcycle, my friend. What the fuck? Okay, let me get to work. I'm gonna tell y'all now. You wanna get these suckers off? I used a 15 16ths and another big bastard, okay? These suckers don't play around. I know, it's a metric bike, but all I got is these standards to fit it, so they fit almost. Close enough, okay? Close enough. The only reason that went smooth is because I sprayed it. The other one was bastard. Pay no attention, I didn't film it. Shit! And I marked my wires too. Mark your wires, or else you'll be hooking up your battery trying to figure shit out. There you go, laddie. Pull that on through, and booyah. So the only thing we got to do is just run these wires all the way through. Take this off. You know, I wonder if anyone ever stops to think, someone's like, hey, we're going to bend this like this and put this bolt right here like that, and that's going to be it, man. That's how this shit's done. Well, let me tell you something. That's probably what they do. My 8mm. So these probably won't go back on because I'm trying to narrow the bike up a little bit. What in the hell? So they put one 8mm in right there, and the rest is shit. Nope, they decided to put a bunch of different bolt sizes. They're like, you know what? One's not enough. Let's mix it up. Let's get this party started. Oh, that's pretty interesting there. Dude. Oh, I see. I see what they did. They made it, hold on, where am I? They made it harder than it needed to be. That's what they did. Get your Quentin screwdriver out. Yeah. Party time like it's no time, baby. Oh yeah, we're just gonna break every. Hold on. Hold on. I figured it out. You don't pull these out. See these? You don't just pry them out because you would be there all day. There's a metal bracket back here, right? Check this out. So you just push that, and then push, pops right out. And then you still gotta get the grommet out, which ain't gonna be no fun. But no, ain't that bad. You just kind of push it out with a screwdriver, and you just tell it, I command you. Hold on, I'll get you down here so you can see it. There you go. I command the grommet to get out. Shit. Partzilla, here I come. Oh, man. Whoa. There it is. Alright, so I think that's going to do it for this video. I just don't see no point in continuing to film this because I just got pretty much one more part. I'm going to take this pipe off here. And that's two bolts and 2 hoses, 2 clamps. So that's pretty easy. I guess until the next one, you know. So stay tuned. I'm gonna keep on doing this thing. I know I've done this bike before on the channel, but you know, after I had done it, I just wasn't happy. I was like, you know, I was happy, don't get me wrong, but I felt like this thing had a lot more I could do. I mean, it's half a bike right now. Yeah, so still gotta get the forks. I'm gonna take the forks back off because I got a leak that's persistent, and I don't know if the tube on it's bent, maybe. I'm gonna pull it off and just check it and see how all that is, and I'm gonna gut it out and rebuild the whole damn thing, because something's causing something to leak. I don't know why, but I'm going to find out. And got a new speedometer cable that's going to be coming. Got rebuilding all, man. There's so much going on, and I'm going to be on the helmet cam this year. We're going to do some riding, man. So that's all I got. That's all I got. And I'll see you next time.